Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening. On the application of WhatsApp, we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about WhatsApp and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.